Welcome to Crafty Hints. I'm Chantel. I am so thankful for each of you that have come to view this video and also my lovely subscribers. Today we'll be making this country farmhouse tree. I used a tree from the Dollar Tree as well as some garland ties, and I did use the metal buckets as I thought it gave them just a little bit more of what they needed, but you could definitely use whatever container matches your decor best. Those white buckets would be nice with some black paint to make it look like enamel. First off, I'm just pulling these boughs down, and then I will take those garland ties and put those where it's a little bit sparse. To put this tree in the bucket, we're going to use some of the floral foam. So just want you kind of thinking about that. I would highly suggest, though, putting some rocks on the bottom, so you can definitely get some from the Dollar Tree or from Great Nature outside. But I didn't get those in there quite yet. What I did do was I used that super hot glue gun, and then I just took it and I just pushed down, took it in there about halfway and added some more hot glue around it. Now I'm just trimming off some of these berries, and as you saw in the beginning, I will put those on the ends of the limbs. Now, I should have done the spray snow before I put it in the bucket, so note to you, when I do this, I learn from my mistakes and share them with you. When I put these berries on, I'm using my low temp glue gun. So I have the bigger one that's a high temp, low temp, but I just use my little low temp glue gun to do this because it makes it easy to push those on. And here we are. I just put a variance of 1 to 3 berries on each limb. And here it is in the sunshine, so you can see it a little bit better. And now we're just going to make a bow, just like on the very last project I made. Basically, you're going to make a ring there of ribbon, and now make the next one a little bit smaller. As I was starting to measure it, I realized I'm at the end of the spool, so I might as well just use it all. So I made 2 of those. Fold them in half, and then I just took a pipe cleaner chenille stem and wrapped that around there, and then I got a little bit more ribbon to just put around there, and I will just tie it in a knot. It's really as simple as that. You'll just want to measure how long you need the tails of your bow, and this time I just trimmed them at an angle instead of doing a dovetail. Thought it worked a little bit better for this one. And I will just glue it right there with some hot glue, and it holds it just fine. Again, this is that super hot glue gun, so I grab one of those fingertips and just push it on there real quick. Next, I I took some burlap and I just cut off a piece that will tuck inside my bucket so that you wouldn't see the styrofoam or your rocks or anything like that. And it kind of just looks like the tree came in a little burlap bag and I put it in the bucket. It also goes well with the rope around there. Now we'll just take some more of that snow spray, and there's actually real snow outside. We did get some, it's almost all melted, but took a little more snow spray just to put some on the berries and a little more snow to the tree. And then I'm just tapping off a little bit off of the berries so that, you know, you do still see that red. I hope you've liked this video because I think it's a fun one. So hit that thumbs up button if you're enjoying it as much as I have. And here it is. This is how the tree turned out. You could definitely add whatever you'd like to personalize it for your home, but this is just a cute farmhouse country tree. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you do subscribe and leave a comment and become part of my friends and family.